Welcome to the demonstration of NetSuite Pay. In this video, I'll show you how to complete the payment processor application and enable the payment features. Once you've installed the NetSuite Pay Suite app, you can apply for the merchant account. Under the NetSuite Pay section, go to Merchant Application and Create New Application. The first step of the application process is to provide your company's information, such as company name, address, tax ID, and industry. The next step is to complete your company's ownership information. Note that customers are not required to add ownership information for anyone who owns 25% or less of your company. Once ownership information is completed, you'll now enter your financial information, which includes anticipated processing volumes and where you want your funds deposited. After the application is completed, it's automatically sent to the NetSuite processing partner for review and approval. You can use the merchant application screen to check the status of your applications. This is also where you can continue any applications that you previously started but did not complete. Here are the application statuses you might see and what they mean. When an application has been tentatively accepted, you can begin configuring your payment processing profile on the NetSuite Pay setup page. Here you'll enter the details you need to process payments, and once this is completed and your application has been approved, you can start accepting payments through NetSuite Pay. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager.